So there's no way I was gonna talk about egg techniques without covering my favorite. And that is a creamy custard. More importantly, my favorite dessert, and that's a crème brûlée. I like to add castor sugar to yolks because it's a nice medium between a granulated sugar and an icing sugar. So it's a smaller grain and it has a chance to get dissolved into the yolks easily. Now the next technique is called ribbon stage. So it's just a part when we're making sure that the yolks and the sugar have completely dissolved into each other. You're looking for a pale color. Basically, you're just looking for no crunchy sugar throughout your mixture. And it's called ribbon because when you're exactly at that point, you can lift it up and it's like a dreamy ribbon falling from your whisk. Beautiful. You can flavor your cream with many different ingredients. I love to use vanilla beans. They're just beautiful, they're simple, and if you notice that Chris just separated the seeds from inside the pods. Thank you.
You're welcome, Chef.
So this is infused for about an hour or so. It's enough for vanilla beans to really escape their oils and those seeds all the way throughout. See those nice little spots? You can really, really smell. You don't want it boiling. At this point, you just want a nice simmer. Next method, I'm just gonna temper that cream into our egg yolks and sugar. By adding just a slow amount, those egg yolks are adjusting to the temperature and they're becoming the same temperature together. A slow pour, nice slow whisk. We don't want to mousse, we don't want anything too frothy, so I'm not whisking crazy. I'm just having a nice slow stir. There's always a possibility of some of those little egg yolks getting overcooked. Maybe chewy little bits that we don't want in our custard. Now, the best way to cook the custard is in a water bath. This makes sure that there's proper and even temperature all the way surrounding the ramekins. So I don't have a hard hockey puck of a brûlée to serve anyone. It's gonna be nice and creamy and stay at the right temperature. And just a little bit more, a couple tablespoons, please. Perfect, thank you. A little bit of tin foil. I don't want it tight, I just want a nice tent. I want some steam to evaporate, but this will help a skin from forming on top of the brûlées. So excited. So you have to be patient with crème brûlées. They're gonna keep cooking in the fridge as they cool down. Exactly where I need them to be. Sugar's looking great.
Thank you, Chef.
And now this is where that custard becomes the magical, crunchy, sugary crème brûlée.
You're a chef.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Possibly one of my favorite smells is that caramelized sugar. And now for that magical moment of the crème brûlée, and that's the crack. The crack through that hardened sugar that lets me get into that nice, cool, creamed custard below. You can just see the cream. You can see the vanilla beans.